Hi all, today I've come with a very special recipe that is creamy chicken lasagna. This insanely good chicken lasagna has layers of extra cheesy vegetables and chicken filling. Even the pickiest eaters will love this. Firstly, I've taken 250 grams of lasagna sheets. That is around 9 to 10 sheets were there, and I'm cooking according to the package instructions. That is in a boiling water, adding some salt and cook until soft. Rinse under cold water until cool. Lay the cooked pasta flat and set aside. For the chicken filling, here I'm cutting some tofu and I've taken boneless chicken. Boneless chicken I have cut into small pieces, that chopping into very small pieces nicely, and you can choose any vegetables of your choice for the filling. Now in a pan add some oil and little butter. Add some chopped onions. Here I have taken some broccoli, capsicum and carrot. All I have chopped nicely. You can cut according to your wish. Now adding some garlic paste and sorting nicely, adding the vegetables, broccoli, capsicum, carrot, and sort nicely. Now let's add some salt, little chili powder and little garam masala and sort well for another 5 minutes, and then add tofu and the chopped chicken. You can even add any type of herbs according to your taste. If you are a vegetarian, you can skip the chicken. We need some tomato paste for the sauce. Just grind the tomatoes with little water. After adding the chicken, mix well and add the tomato paste. Mix well and cover and bring to boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for around 20 minutes in a medium flame. In the meantime, let's prepare the white sauce. In a saucepan, add the butter over medium low heat. Now add the flour and stir until smooth for about 1 minute until bubbling. Now add the milk and stir continuously. Make sure no lumps are formed. Now I'm adding 1 sliced cheese, oregano, little salt and little sugar. Sliced cheese is optional, but it gives extra thickness. Make sure you're stirring continuously and the white sauce is done, and keep it aside. And now by this time the saucy chicken filling is also done. So let's move on to the assembling part. For this, in a baking dish, spread a thick layer of white sauce for the first layer. Spread evenly and place the lasagna sheets. And now keep the chicken filling, that is a saucy chicken filling, and repeat the process. Depending on the lasagna sheet size, might be used 3 to 4 sheets per layer. Repeat spreading. Top the last layer of the sheet with the remaining white sauce and sprinkle any type of cheese over the top. Here I have used sliced cheese only. This heavenly chicken lasagna recipe is the ultimate thick, creamy and very satisfying comfort food, and it's just the perfect meal. This recipe is very easy to make and very soft in texture from inside and little crumpy outside. It's not too dry, not too soggy either. Do try out and let me know the feedbacks. You can add any vegetables of your choice and you can even skip the chicken. I have already preheated the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. Now after assembling, we need to cook for at least 20 to 25 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius until the cheese melts or it turns into golden brown. Set aside for about 15 minutes before serving. Serve alongside with some salad or even toasted bread. It is really delicious. The yummy lasagna is ready. So thanks for watching.